I'm Rick Van Hoos. Months after a rash of crime in the downtown area, the Louisville police chief is speaking to community members about what went wrong and how to stop it from happening again.
WLKY's Annalisa Gale sat in on the forum. She joins us live from police headquarters. Annalisa, how are people responding to this meeting?
Vicki, the community is responding positively to the meeting. They mainly had questions still about public safety. Where do we go from here? They asked the police chief what are his plans, and his plans include adding more officers.
You know, last year we saw the fewest number of violent crimes in Louisville that we've seen since 2004. We had made some great progress, but I got to tell you, March 22nd got us all talking about this issue again.
Police Chief Steve Conrad is talking about the night this mob of young people wreaked havoc near downtown, frightening the community and business owners. And months later, he's still looking for ways to make the city safer.
We received our first call at 7:23 p.m. It was a call about an assault up on the Big Four Bridge. We had a relatively small group of young people who were involved in committing a number of violent crimes.
It was that violence that sparked many to ask if we have enough officers on the streets. Chief Conrad wants to add more than 90 officers to the force.
We have an obligation as a police department to do what we can to try to prevent crime all throughout this community, but we do that by working with you, people in our community.
Mayor Greg Fisher requested nearly $7 million in his budget for public safety. The money would fund the police department's new safety programs, which will include the creation of a real-time crime center and aid for programs like the Safe and Healthy Neighborhoods Initiative, Restorative Justice, and Gentlemen's Academy.
Nearly 3 months later, do you think the city is getting any better or worse since that incident?
I think it's getting better. I think, you know, from time to time we are reminded that we have a lot of work to do, that we haven't arrived yet.
Right now, there are currently 1,250 officers on the force, 45 of which just started this week and are in training. Police Chief Conrad says he's now working on a survey that will determine where the officers need to be placed around the city. Live here at Metro Police Headquarters, Annalisa Gale, WLKY News.
Thanks, Annalisa. Since the downtown violence in March, Louisville police has spent close to $600,000 on overtime. Metro Council is expected to vote on the final budget next week.